Guilt consumes me, chewing through the quiet of my room. Loneliness calls me like a late night number. I still answer. I free myself from the rusted chains of every promise I betrayed. I step to the edge in my mind. I throw myself off the mountain, and I begin to fly.